Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Aldo, and today's episode I am going to show you how to transform this turtleneck top that I recently purchased. So if you want to see how, keep on watching. I tried on the top and it actually was really big on me. It's like the neck is like way too tall and I just wanna trim it down, and I'm going to transform it into a curly hem or a lettuce hem. I am also going to trim down the sleeves. This sewing project is actually very easy, and this is a great way to update your old turtleneck sweaters or top. So yeah, you can easily do this with any rib knit. So the first thing I did was remove all the tags. Wow, look at all the tags on this shirt. Then I'll go ahead and measure 2 inches starting from the neck seam. So I'm just going to measure it 2 inches all the way from here to the other end. So in the 2 inches, that is including the seam allowance, that is 1/4 of an inch. And I trim off the fabric. I did not know why my camera stopped recording. And then I trim off the sleeves according to my measurement. I added 1/2 inch seam allowance. Now it's time to hem it. And then I found out I actually did not have enough black threads. So I went to the fabric store really quickly and picked up a bunch of black threads. I will remove this piece here so I can easily hem the sleeves and the neckline. And then I'll go ahead and slide the sleeve in the arm right here, and the wrong side of the fabric is facing out. As you can see, I use this piece here that I cut off from the sleeve as my test fabric. The fabric will give you more curls on the hemline if you are going to hem it if the wrong side is facing out. We'll be using a narrow zigzag stitch, so the setting is 0.4, and it may vary depending on your sewing machine. Just be sure to test out a piece of fabric first to figure that out. I'll go ahead and I'm going to start sewing, and I'm also going to stretch the fabric. The more you stretch the fabric, the more curls it's going to give you. Also, one thing to remember if you are going to do this project, be sure that the fabric that you are going to pick has a lot of recovery. That means when you stretch it out, it bounces back to its original shape. After this, I am going to let it rest so the fabric can actually recover from all the stretching that I did to it. So it should look like this, and I will repeat the same steps on the other sleeve, of course. Now it's time to hem the neckline. So this time I'm actually going to sew on the right side of the fabric. I fold it under and then I'm going to stretch as I sew. But this time I'm not going to be stretching a lot because I don't want the neckline to be super curly. When I reach the beginning here, I am going to backstitch a few times so the threads will not unravel. Next, I am going to trim off the excess fabric. If you don't want to do this, you can always double fold the hemline, then sew along the edge. And this is the final product. I actually love how it turned out. I saw something similar when I went to the store the other day, and they were a little expensive for me. I cannot bear to spend that much money on a turtleneck when I know I can easily make it. Honest, when I go to the store, I don't normally buy stuff there. I usually go there for inspiration. So I just confessed today. Check out my other sewing tutorials. Here I made a faux wrap dress, and then the other one is a half circle denim skirt. Lastly, the half circle skirt without zipper or elastic. So if you are feeling likely to watch those tutorials, be sure to click the link on the end screen so you can see how I made them. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video is helpful to you. I hope you are inspired today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I upload new video every week on Thursday at 9 o'clock in the morning. Okay, I will see you next time. Bye!